The plant delivery arrived, and we've got the following in the box: 250 Malvina strawberry plants, 250 strawberry rostara, 2 rhubarb, Fulton strawberry surprise, and 3 pots of each of the following blueberry varieties: Draper, Duke, Titanium, and a Sorno. So I'm gonna open this and see how the plants look like inside. Can't wait. I move them here so they're closer to the planting area. For some reason I was expecting them to be bigger, but you know, strawberries don't take that much space. It's the blueberry bushes that probably are taking most space. It's looking good so far. I wasn't expecting such large rhubarb plants. Looking good. So here's the rhubarb. One leaf here broke, so I'm gonna snap it off just to leave the plant clean. Looking nice. I've got the holes prepared for them. Leaving the area clean here. And here we got the Stara. And Bilingual strawberries with soon mold. And that's good sign. Which means in this box are the blueberries. Probably 12 of them from what I remember. Put the pots in the prepared holes. I'll leave them here for now because I must sort out the blueberries and the strawberries. Got the Malvina. See. They're looking good. I'll leave them in there for now, and I'm gonna check out the blueberries. And here are the potted blueberries. Looking nice, they're good size. Got them all out. This is the medium they like to grow in. We've got them here. This is the 3 Duke. These are the 3 Duke pots. Looking good, good size. We have the Sorno here. One of the pots was missing the labels, but it must be a Sorno because it's the only one missing without a label. We have the Draper here looking great. These ones even have blueberry flowers on. We'll see if they will make the blueberries this year. Good size. And the Titanium also looking pretty good. I think they had a little bit cold snap, but they'll recover. I'll prune them. They're looking good. I'll just gently caress the roots a bit before I put them in. They're looking pretty good. Yeah, especially this one is looking good. They're not too tangled up. And blueberry bush usually has tender roots and they grow more like on the surface, and they thrive in relation with fungi. It's my understanding. So, and that's why I put mycelium where I'll be planting them, because it helps them breed and helps them with drainage and other things. So we'll see how they do in our young forest garden. lots to do. Lots of strawberries to plant, so I'm gonna start with that first because the blueberries can stay for a bit in the pots, and the rhubarb as well, but the strawberries need to be planted as soon as possible, so I'll be planting them in the next 3 days probably. It's gonna take me a while to plant 500 strawberries. Yeah, exciting times. I love it that the Draper blueberry, which is a very large blueberry variety, has flowers on. Beautiful. Let's start planting them. And lovely bird song.